Spain is much more focused on being sustainable than the United States. They are a lot more conscious of what they do with their trash, how much water and energy they use, and compared to the United States, they are much more focused on protecting the environment.
In Spain, the trash is separated by its material type. You can see in the streets of Pamplona multiple bins in which they divide their trash for recycling. They have bins for plastics, paper, glass, organics, and then rest to separate to go towards its further destinations, whether that be a compost plant, recycling plant, or the landfill. The bins are color coded and they consist of a bin for paper, cardboards, um, paper, plastics, organics, which organics they have to have a key to open it, so that way they guarantee that it's viable materials and aren't contaminated by plastics. At the recycling plant, they have to separate the trash into between different materials uh, while sorting out any non-recyclables that had maybe been mixed in. The recycling plant nearby Pamplona is 75% efficient at its recycling.
A composting plant is used to turn organic waste into compost that can then be sold. They take the methane that is produced by the compost and use it as a possible power source so they don't send its pollution into the air. For the rest of the trash, it is placed in landfills. These landfills also collect the methane and also turn it into power. The power is then used to power the recycling plant that is nearby. Any excess is sold back into the city's power grid.
Spain also has a target of reducing their use of landfills almost entirely by 2020. They want to be able to recycle or reuse as much of their waste as possible. In 2020, the landfill will be ordered to be closed, and it will be made illegal to throw away any any recyclables into a landfill or into the trash. How they will go about this is yet unseen, and although it should be quite a challenge to have everyone participate, because when it comes down to it, it's up to the individual to participate.